Use PDF2QIF to convert PDF bank or credit card statements files to QIF format and import into Quicken or your accounting software supporting QIF import. Start PDF2QIF converter and open the transaction file. Review transactions before converting. Check the dates are correct, have correct year, deposits and withdrawals are in correct places. Select the QIF target to match your Quicken version or your accounting software. Set the account name and the account type to create QIF file for the right account. Click the Convert button to create a QIF file. In Quicken, back up your data file before importing. Click File, Import, QIF file, to import, and select a Quicken account, to import, or all account for Quicken 2017, 2014 or older. Review transaction after import.